Hi everyone, I am Sarita Chaurasia, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Bhojam Narsimulu Pharmacy College for Women, Hyderabad. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss catalytic hydrogenation of ethene. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand what is the catalytic hydrogenation and understand the mechanism of catalytic hydrogenation. Before moving on to this video, pause this video for few seconds and write down the structure of ethene and catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Hope all of you wrote this. Again, play this video. Catalytic hydrogenation is addition of hydrogen to unsaturated compounds like alkene, carbon-carbon double bond compound, alkyne, that is carbon-carbon triple bond compound, in the presence of catalyst. The catalysts used in the catalytic hydrogenation reaction are palladium, ranitidine, etc. This is the example of hydrogenation reaction. In this, one molecule of ethene is going to react with one molecule of hydrogen in presence of nickel as a catalyst at 150 degrees centigrade, and it gives ethane. Ethene is having molecular formula C2H4 and ethane is having molecular formula C2H6. Again, pause the video for few seconds and think about what is the possible mechanism of the catalytic hydrogenation reaction of ethene. What is the bond is going to be break down and what is the new bonds are going to be formed. Again, play this video. Catalytic hydrogenation mechanism. This mechanism is going to be complete into the 4 steps. Step 1. Hydrogen molecules adsorbing onto the nickel surface. Hydrogen-hydrogen sigma bond is broken and replaced with 2 weak metal hydrogen bonds. This is the nickel metal surface and this is the one molecule of hydrogen. This is going to break sigma bond in between hydrogen-hydrogen and it is going to make new bond with this metal surface like this. Step 2. The pi bond of alkene interacts with the metal catalyst. This what we got from the step 1. This hydrogen is adsorbed onto the metal surface and this one molecule of ethene that is having a double bond in between carbon-carbon atom, and one of this bond is the sigma bond and another one is the pi bond. This pi bond is going to be break down and it is going to form 2 sigma bond with the metal surface like this. Step 3. This a hydrogen atom is transferred from the catalyst surface to one of the carbon of the double bond. This what we got from the step 2. And one hydrogen from the metal surface is going to move from the metal surface to the one of the carbon of ethene like this. Step 4 is the repetition of the step 3. Again, the remaining one hydrogen that is bonded with the metal surface is going to move onto the carbon of this double bond. like this. The alkane is formed on the catalyst surface is going to release and allowing the catalyst to accept additional hydrogen and alkene molecule. This is the alkane, that is here ethane is bonded onto the metal surface, is going to release like this, and this is the metal surface that is going to release like this, and this metal is available for the bonding with the additional hydrogen and alkene molecules like step 1 to step 4. Hope all of you understood what is the mechanism and what is the catalytic hydrogenation reaction. These are the references that I referred to make this presentation. Thank you.